how to launch your own virtual chain on the Aurora cloud. So it's pretty easy. If you don't have an account already, you can just quickly sign up. We just go to auroracloud.dev and start the sign up with your email and get it verified. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Alright then, so once we've done that, it will bring you to this page after you've signed up and everything. So this is the Aurora Cloud. Your virtual chain ready in minutes. Literally it's ready in minutes. You don't need to waste too much time. So just create it, get it configured. Alright, so it does gas abstraction. There's a marketplace for it. The marketplace, just in case you want anything extra, it has built-in tools here for smooth integration to your virtual chain. That's before you want to get it built. So you have categories like AI, data, DeFi, identity services, infrastructure, name service, Oracle security, and token related services, just in case you want things extra for your blockchain. You also have a whole lot of other things you don't actually need. It's here. So if you want to create a virtual chain, we'll click on get started, obviously. So get started. And it takes us to this page. Set up your Aurora chain, get a production ready Aurora chain with all the functionalities to start building. Runs on the top of near protocol, full EVM compatibility, 220 plus validators, and the rest of the info. You get the gist. Alright, now the first thing you're going to do is to select our chain permission. So it lets us choose the level of permission we want our chain to be on. Regulated businesses might prefer a permission chain, as this enables them to get them by KYC and the rest. But we are going to make it public since this is a tutorial and it might actually serve its purpose. So we'll choose that, make it public. Not permissioned. Alright, so we'll choose our base token. So I'm going to choose the near. Alright, now define the gas mechanics. So now this is either you choosing if you want the person or the people making the transaction to pay the gas from their transactions, or we are going to cover the transaction. So now I'm going to choose usage based. Gas fees are calculated based on the transaction size and charged to the end user in the base token. So since our base token is near, they are going to be charged in the near token. Alright, so not free, so usage based. And now I'm going to select the integration. I'll choose Block Explorer. Enjoy a blockchain explorer dedicated to your chain. You can find it here. A bridge, and I also want it to fiat on ramp. So that's like enabling your users to unwrap from fiat, that's your local currency, to crypto directly on your chain. So that I also want users to deposit assets directly from a centralized exchange to the chain. So I'm going to choose that as well. Or Oracle, I'm going to choose Oracle as well because it helps you get daily information. It helps you get up-to-date information as it is. So intent listing, get it listed on intent. So I'm going to choose all that because I need it. Now it comes down to just adding information for your chain, like the name, your handle or phone number or whatever you have. That's like contact info. So that's literally the last step to create your own virtual chain. So I'm going to choose the name, Creatives Hub. Because I own a hub for creatives. And now a Telegram handle that they can message me at to get more information about this chain. Control C. So I'm going to also get that set, that chain. Alright, that's my Telegram username. I'm going to leave this one optional. I'm going to leave that optional. I do not really want my contact going out like that. Tell us more about your needs. So this is my needs are to create a blockchain for creatives. to get paid and transact boundarylessly. That's even a word. Alright, I think that's all I need. It's not a word. But anyways, I think boundlessly, I think I'm going to add that boundlessly. Now, save my chain. Alright, it loads up. Yes, your virtual chain ready in minutes. So now, once I'm done with that, I click on deployment, start automatic deployment. So that's like deploy now. I click on the deploy now. So it starts deployment. But I need to confirm if I've configured everything well, because after deployment, you cannot make any edits to your blockchain. So everything is set, everything is how I want it to be. Now click on start deployment. Yes. So it starts deploying my virtual chain. Yes. It loads configuring your virtual chain completed, initializing the Aurora engine, setting up base token, deploying. So once everything here is done, alright, almost there. Yeah, I think we're done, and we just click on finish deployment. Voila, our chain is live. Our chain is live. So if you want to see it, you can just go, you can customize your block explorer or open your block explorer. Let me click on customize. Let's see how it is. So open your block explorer. So here it is. You can check. Alright, you can connect the wallet to it. So that's pretty much it. So we just created a virtual chain using the Aurora cloud. Yeah. So whenever you want to do anything in this regard, you can always head over to auroracloud.dev and get your stuff done.